Let's be honest, AI is getting kind of wild. It's writing articles, making art, answering customer chats, and honestly, it's doing a pretty solid job. And yeah, you're probably thinking, wait, is AI gonna take my job too? Well, yeah, it might.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
But here's the deal. That doesn't mean you're screwed. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can not just keep up, but actually get ahead in this whole AI revolution. So here's the thing. A lot of people feel safe. They're like, nah, my job's superhuman. No way can replace it. But reality check? AI is creeping into every corner of the workforce. And it's not just about blue collar or technical stuff anymore.
Cutting about 6,000 jobs across all levels, teams, and geographies as it looks to slash unnecessary layers of management amid a boom in artificial intelligence.
Let's break it down. AI learns fast. Unlike humans who need years to master a skill, AI can be trained in days or even hours, and boom, it's ready to scale to millions of users. Need examples? Writing? AI is already pumping out articles, essays, reports, even YouTube scripts, like the one you're watching right now. A bunch of media companies are using AI to crank out content faster and cheaper. Customer service? One chatbot can answer hundreds of questions at once, doing the job of 10 people, and it never gets tired. Accounting? AI can analyze thousands of transactions, catch anomalies, and even assist in audits. Human accountants can still compete, but the bar is getting higher. Creative work, graphic design, music, voiceovers, even video. AI is already assisting in all of that. It's not always perfect, but often it's good enough to make clients happy. And what about physical jobs? Yup, AI-powered robots are delivering food, cleaning hotel rooms, harvesting crops, even folding laundry in factories. So no, it's not just low-skilled jobs at risk. Mid-level and even pro jobs are starting to feel the heat. And here's what most people forget. Businesses care about efficiency. If they can do something faster, cheaper, and at scale, they will. Not because they're evil, but because it just makes economic sense. This isn't some far-off future. It's already happening.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Some jobs aren't fully replaced yet, but the direction we're heading, pretty clear. So what now? Are we all just going to end up unemployed? Not necessarily. But first, we've got to understand who's most at risk, and more importantly, what we can do to stay relevant. All right, so let's talk about it. Who's actually most at risk of being replaced by AI? It's not just about what job you have. It's about how that job is done and how easy it is for AI to take over the tasks. First off, any job that's repetitive and routine, that's prime AI territory. We're talking cashiers, admin assistants, call center reps, factory workers, jobs where the tasks are the same every day and easy to teach to a machine. But here's the twist. Even jobs that seem complex aren't safe. Take data analysts. Their job is to interpret numbers and spot patterns, something AI is already doing faster and more accurately. Even lawyers aren't off the hook.
That featured an AI-generated avatar to deliver an argument on his behalf.
If your work involves drafting standard legal documents or reviewing contracts, AI can already help with that. And it's only getting better. So the risk isn't just about education level or how technical your job is. It's more about how structured and repetitive the tasks are, how much human creativity or emotional intelligence is needed. Jobs that require original thinking, empathy, or complex social interaction, they're safer for now. Think teachers building real relationships with students, therapists providing emotional support, or artists creating something truly unique. But don't get too comfortable. AI is learning fast, It's already starting to mimic creativity and emotion. And there's one more risk factor. If your job can be done remotely and digitally, you're more exposed. AI thrives in digital spaces. So roles that are online, computer-based, and heavily data-driven are easier to automate. Meanwhile, jobs that depend on physical presence or unique human context might have a bit more protection, at least for now. Bottom line, if your job can be broken down into rules, patterns, or algorithms, watch out. But hey, don't panic just yet. In the next part, we'll dive into what you can do to adapt and stay relevant in this fast-changing world. All right, so now that we've talked about why AI is replacing jobs and who is most at risk, it's time for the most important part. How do you survive and even thrive in the age of AI? First things first, you've got to understand, adapting isn't optional. The world of work is changing fast, and the people who make it aren't the strongest, they're the most flexible and fastest to learn. So here's the deal. Some real practical steps you can start taking today. First, level up on skills AI still struggles with. Sure, AI is powerful, but it still can't match true human abilities like real creativity, critical thinking, empathy, negotiation, conflict management. So lean into those. Start developing skills around innovation and human interaction. Learn creative design, advanced problem solving, public speaking, leadership, stuff that makes you hard to replace. Learn about AI and actually use it. Don't fear AI, partner with it. Learn the tools that relate to your field so you can become the go-to AI-savvy person in your team. Writers, use ChatGPT for first drafts. Marketers, let AI help you analyze trends and audience behavior. Designers, use AI to boost your creative process. Own the tools. Don't let them own you. Embrace lifelong learning. Tech is changing constantly. If you stop learning, you fall behind. So make learning new things part of your daily routine. A podcast, a short course, a new tool, it adds up. Don't be afraid to innovate and try new things. Disruption brings opportunity. What new business could you start with AI? What career didn't exist 5 years ago that you could step into now? Be curious. Experiment. You might surprise yourself. Take care of your mind and body. Let's be real. All this change can be overwhelming. So stay grounded. Healthy mind, healthy body. That's your fuel for long-term growth. So here's the bottom line. AI isn't the enemy. It's a tool. And if you're willing to learn and adapt, you can use it to your advantage. When you combine your uniquely human skills with the power of AI, you become what I like to call a super worker. Someone who's not easy to replace, someone who leads the change. Next step? Start now. Pick a skill, try a new tool, challenge yourself. You don't have to be perfect, just keep moving. If you think back to the early days of the internet, a lot of people seriously underestimated the businesses built on this new technology. Take these examples. Facebook, started by Mark Zuckerberg as a small project in his dorm room. Google, launched as a simple search engine in a garage, just one among many sites. Amazon, which began as a humble online bookstore, and now it's a global e-commerce powerhouse. Back then, people said things like, the internet's just a fad, or it'll never be a real business.
Oh, that's
that little mark with the A and then the ring around it.
At?
See, that's what I said. Katie said she thought it was about.
Yeah. Oh.
But I'd never heard it.
Around.
I'd never heard it said. I'd always seen the mark, but never heard
Yeah.
it said. And then it sounded stupid when I said it. Violence added.
But those who saw the opportunity early and acted fast, they ended up winning big in the digital era. Today, we're at a very similar point. The AI era. This is a massive moment you don't want to miss. If you start learning, innovating, and adapting right now, you could be the next trailblazer, the next big innovator, or even build a successful business or career around AI. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the Mark Zuckerberg of AI. Or maybe you'll create the AI platform that changes the way the world works. Don't wait for the world to change around you. Start moving today. Use AI as a tool, not a threat. Just like the internet wasn't a trend but a revolution, AI isn't either. And the people who move fast and smart today will be the leaders of tomorrow. So remember this. This moment is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Don't be the one left watching from the sidelines. Take your first step now, keep learning, keep innovating, and be part of this amazing change. If you found this inspiring, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content.